Hi, this is Mike, president of Fountain Mountain and Ftech Pumps. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Ftech floating fountain unit. First, let's take a look at what you get with your kit. You get the float, of course. This is what costs most of the money in shipment, not because of weight, but because of the dimensions of the thing. There are two holes in top. That's what you put the rope through. And on the back side you'll see brass fixtures for installing a fountain light kit if you'd like to do so later on. You're also going to get the filter basket. Here's the bottom, here's the lid, PVC pipe, threaded. And in the white box, you will get the nozzle kit, a screwdriver, plus an O-ring. And of course, you get the instructions as well. And the pump, of course. So the pump cord needs to be put through the hole at the bottom of the filter basket. So you set the pump inside the filter basket and you take the cord and just drag it through the hole until it's all the way to the end. So before you put the pump back down, make sure you have this front end of it installed as well for extra protection. Now we have the filter basket to protect the pump, and we have the pump's front grate to protect the pump as well. You are going to line the pump outlet with the hole at the top of the filter basket, snap in the filter basket, and you may want to actually add some straps here to make it stronger. Let's screw in the PVC tube. Get a good firm grip. You don't want it coming off in the water. Grab your float, put it on top of the tube. Grab your O-ring and put it on top of the PVC. Once the O-ring is installed, you have to decide which nozzle head you're going to use. Now, these two nozzle heads have 7 slots in them, but this one over here has a bit of an arch around the 7 slots, and this one here is flatter. The flat one you use for a gusher. That's just a straight up and down display. It creates the highest display of this unit. The slightly arched one is for a skinny trumpet. Still has a pretty high display, but there is an arch to it. It's not just straight up and down, there is an arch. The final one, you have 2 choices. If you take the plug out of the bottom of this nozzle kit, water will go through this hole in the middle to create a short gusher, shorter than the other one, and the rest of the water will come out arched in a V-shaped pattern out of this part of the assembly. If you want the arch to be narrow, you unscrew this piece, raise it up. If you want the arch to be wide, you lower the piece. Too wide and it's going to be too far down, it's going to restrict too much water. Now if you only want an arch and you don't want any water coming out of the top, you don't want any gusher, You just take the little cap, put it back in the bottom. Pretty doggone simple. Screw the fountain head to the top, securely around the O-ring. Put the ropes in the rope holes, drag them to the shore, or you can use cinder blocks. And that's it. Call us with any questions. Thank you.